Hi, my name is David Reitz. I'm in charge of partnerships and business development for Matelex US. If you are a owner of a refrigerant system or you manage one, this video explains the AIM Act and the impacts for 2024. Now, what's the impact for 2024? 2024 is a significant year. There is a drop in the amount of refrigerants that will be allowed to be sold by 40%. Even as demand is going up. Here are some of the possible impacts. One, HFC pricing, the predominant refrigerant used in the US, is likely to increase. In Europe, there was an increase to 8, 9, 10 times the pricing when they had a similar phase down. We are unsure if it's going to be that much, but there's likely an increase. Second, there could be availability issues as everyone tries to buy refrigerants and store them for future use. There is scarcity in the market. This again was seen in Europe and likely to happen in the US. And some of those purchases I hear are happening right now. And then the third thing that's likely to happen is leak detection could be a mandatory management practice that you either have to have leak detection in place or you'll have to significantly check your system on a monthly basis, which is very costly. We work with refrigerant systems, supermarkets, large commercial industry systems, and we work very closely on leak detection. If you have questions on the AIM Act and how it will affect your business, feel free to reach out. Thank you for your time.